traders, this is a technical analysis video for RDNT Capital. Now RDNT is a fairly new asset, a borrowing lending protocol that has been making waves lately. But if you are looking for a bull market prediction for RDNT, I'm sorry, I cannot give you any bull market predictions yet, simply because RDNT doesn't have enough chart history for me to extrapolate about a future bull market price. You can see we have only 116 days on the daily chart. So from a technical analysis point, it's impossible to give a bull market prediction. However, for the short term, I do see upside for RDNT, and I even have a small trade proposal for you that you can take at your own discretion. It's your own decision. We can see that since April of 2023, RDNT has been in a downtrend, and it is consolidating in a range, with the range low being at around 24.66 and the range high being at 32 cents, more or less. Now this consolidation is looking bullish because even though RDNT keeps bumping against a fixed horizontal resistance, it keeps making higher lows. The higher lows mean that investors are getting impatient to buy the asset, and they are not willing to look for lower prices, and they keep buying higher and higher, which means that eventually, after this consolidation is over, RDNT will break out. Now the breakout target is a measurement from the low to the high. What you do is you take a measurement from the low to the high and you paste it to the breakout point. Okay? Now the breakout potential is 49.53 cents. Okay? But I'm assuming that the breakout is not imminent yet. We see that we had a fairly hard rejection here from a supply zone. We have a supply zone here. Okay, the supply zone was depleted, so I don't think it is necessary to put it on the chart. Yeah, okay, it's already depleted. Okay, what I'm thinking is that after such a rejection, it is reasonable to expect RDNT to make it to at least the diagonal support line. We also have a daily demand zone meeting with the diagonal support line at 28.50, so it's a bit of a confluence, and I think that this will be a very good target to buy, with the entry at 28.50 and the stop loss below the mid-range, let's say at 27 cents. Okay, now the take profit target is at 39 cents. Why at 39 cents? Because we have a supply zone beginning at 39 cents and ending at 49.90. So if we are considering RDNT as a trade and not just an investment, because if you're an investor, you buy low and you sell high, meaning you buy the asset and you sit on it. You don't trade it, you don't buy and sell it. But if we are looking here at a trade, then I would take profit before the supply zone, because what usually happens is that the asset gets into the supply zone, rejects, and tries again, maybe rejects again, and finally breaks out. So if you are looking at RDNT as a trade, 39 cents is the take profit. If you are looking at RDNT as an investment, then you can buy at 28.50 more or less, and sit on it. Sit on it for a year or two. Check back for weekly updates about the price, and hopefully, I don't know if it will make us all rich, but I think that RDNT will do very well in the future. This is all I have for you on RDNT Capital for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.